Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be playing some I Am Cat. So this is my first time playing I Am Cat, and yeah, I hope you guys like these videos. And our job today is going to be the baddest cat ever. So, yeah. And I guess this lady's my grandma or something. Oh no. Yeah. Uh-oh, okay. Did you have grandma? This is what you're never gonna need. You haven't fed me in a week, grandma, in a week. Ugh. Hey, that's right, grandma. Stay asleep. Yeah. Yep. Ready? 3, 2, 1. See? Okay. Uh-oh. Take that, grandma. Ugh. Okay, guys, so if I keep on looking at her, then she won't get up. That's how I play this game. Well, that's how I think it is. Ugh. Watch out. For the top row. Boom! Let's put her in a casket. Put her good across her stuff. No, no, chill, grandma, no, grandma, please, no. Grandma got me. Grandma, why? I've been spending weeks. But anyways, do you guys see that robot? Yeah, right there. Oh my gosh. Hello? Oh my gosh, I have a new friend. Joe, okay. Oh my gosh. You are my new friend. I'm thinking of a name for you. Ready? Get over there. Nope. Put him over. Thank you. There you go. I want you guys to comment down. I want you guys to comment down below a name I should do. It's TV. Ew, no, dogs. Ew. Okay. Now, how about I say we go catch a fish? This is like my second time catching a fish. I'd be testing that game before No, the fish! Okay. Let's go check out upstairs. I want to go outside. Red block. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's a car for me. Oh no, we're about to crash. No, we're about to crash, Grandma. Grandma, we're about to crash. Watch out, Grandma. What is he? Oh no, whatever will I do? No! Yes! Okay. All this for just a car. Yes. Okay, no! Yeah. Oh my gosh, is that a basketball out there? For those of you who don't know, basketball is like my favorite sport in the world. No! God dang it! Okay. I can't do anything about it, because I'm a cat. I dropped it on her head. I like that, Grandma. I like that, Grandma, huh? Like that, Grandma? Yeah, yeah. Like that, Grandma? How you like me now? No! 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 No. Okay. Ready? Hi, Grandma. How about we cook a fresh dinner? Grandma, back away. Come here, Grandma. Yes, that's so funny. That's literally so funny. When I do that, she always will fall, and I like it. She falls. No! No, whatever your name is, why? You're good. We have to skedaddle. Get out of here. Let's get. Oh. Grandma. Okay, it's okay, guys. I respawned. I hate you, Grandma. Yes. Uh-oh. Whoopsie daisy. Sorry. My fault. Oh my gosh. Hey, you look at me. I'm the only cat in here, okay? Grandma. Okay, Grandma. Let's just scare you real quick. Yeah! Oh my gosh, monies. Okay. Okay, now we're going to start the question of the day. I know I haven't been doing the question of the day yet. But the question of the day is, what is your guys' favorite movie? What are you guys' favorite movie? Oh, my paws. Get out of here, plant. Nobody likes you. Except for Grandma. Oh, Grandma likes me. I am not the Lorax. Grandma, you are not the Lorax. Grandma, come here, I dare you. Whoopsie. Right on her head. No. Yes. No. Sorry, Grandma. Sorry, Grandma. There's only one more plant. But actually, you have to like one more plant and like. Oh, sorry, Grandma. Whoopsie. How did Grandma just respawn? Sorry. Oh yeah, by the way, I do not own any of this music. So please don't copyright me. I got copyrighted in the last one. It's just that's so sad, bro. I got copyrighted. Put my hair. Whoopsie. Okay, guys. Oh my gosh, monies. Oh my gosh, whatever you. Hey. Don't be mad at me. I saved you. Move. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we get some kind of fish. Hey, like this, Grandma, huh? Grandma, you're looking at a blank TV. You're not looking at anything, Grandma. Grandma, what are you looking at? Oh, look at this fella. Ah, gosh dang it. What do you think? Which one should I catch? Should I catch that one? Or one of these orange ones? Yeah, come on! Come on! Yes, yes. Catch one of the fishes? Yes, yes, yes. Gosh dang it. Okay, we'll give up on that. Oh, yeah. Whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy. How do you know? Yeah! No, no. Oh, my father's like, uh-oh. Oh, no. Okay. Uh-oh, my pot's the, never mind. Grandma! Grab the... Good no. Oh my gosh, I need some water. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll just break the vase. Right in front of her face. Okay, guys, I think I broke Grandma, so this is where I'm just going to end the video. I hope you guys liked, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.